The kConnect Blade Cabinet is a smart connected blade management solution providing real-time data on blade operation and inventory. The kConnect Blade Cabinet creates one compact place to store blades while using cloud-based RFID technology to track inventory and automatically order replenishment blades when depleted to the mill's minimum levels. Each blade box is marked coinciding with the machine maps to make tracking blade changes simpler and safer. Features of the kConnect Blade Cabinet include a customized iPad for easy inventory tracking, RFID technology for blade inventory management, machine maps to visually depict blade location, blade placement, and location tracking, and access through CAP, the Kadant Access Portal. Users will see many benefits when switching to the kConnect Blade Cabinet, including improved safety, storage for all machine blades in one location, dispensing boxes maximized to reduce box quantities, easy access during downtimes, software updates managed and completed remotely, and the possibility of eliminating storeroom inventory. Remember to follow your company's safety procedures whenever working with Kadant products, and read all instructions completely before proceeding.